I'll be showing you step by step how to start collecting emails for your Shopify store while it's still under construction. Now this is going to be great because you might be finishing your store and you want to start collecting emails so you can market to them instantly when you do launch it. To do so, we'll be using a Shopify app called LaunchX, as it makes it really easy to do this, and we can customize our coming soon pages with a lot more fidelity to make sure they look really great. They also have templates to help set this up. And to note, I don't have any affiliation with this app, but for development stores, it is completely free. Other than that, it costs $1.99 a month. So let's go install this and set this up. If you're comfortable with the permissions for LaunchX, click install. I'll also leave a link in the description for the app as well. So I do have a development store here, so it's not going to be billed for this test charge. So I'll just hit approve there. So let's go and set this up. And now we're brought to the welcome setup guide. So I'm going to click continue setup. Let's go and create our under construction page. So I'll click next. And here we can select from some free templates. I'm going to select this summer sale one here. When I'm recording this, we are going into summer. And this brings us to the customization page. Now we get quite a few options here on whether we want to add different sections. So we can change the logo, set the logo text if it's not showing, and we can add different sections to the body. And at the bottom, we have our copyright. So I'll edit some of these. I'm not going to edit all of them just for the sake of time for this video. It's going to be so personal to your store. Let's just go and change the logo. So I'll just go and upload a logo to Ecom Masterclass. If I select the image, you can see it's updated there. You can customize this text to say, get notified at launch in 10 days or something like that. You could ask for more information as well, such as the full Shopify registration, their name. We could also have them enter a password as well. But I'm okay with just the email here. So that's the header section. For the body section, if we want to add a new one, we could add. But let's go and customize the existing ones. So we can customize the email marketing one here. We could change the button color. Maybe we want it to be a light blue. If we move to the countdown timer, we'll need to click edit settings here. This opens up the settings section of this app. We can select a date for our countdown timer. Just go and select the 30th here and hit save. And I'll leave that for the basic customization there. So let's hit save. I'll exit out of this here and let's go enable this for our store. So I'm going to pin this app here so it's easy to access later. I'm going to click on it. And what we want to do is head to settings here as we actually want to go and enable this. So let's enable the under construction. I'm going to go to the theme editor here. You could also access this by clicking on online store and then themes and then click customize. You can automatically enable it. Let's hit save in the top right to finalize that app embed. And if we click preview here, we can see exactly what this looks like. It looks exactly like how we set it up. To note, you'll also want to go to settings. You'll want to enable the integration for your email provider. And it integrates with MailChimp, Klaviyo, and OmniSend. And you want to make sure you've enabled this so you can start sending your emails. And so with this app enabled, if I were to go to online store and hit view your online store, it's going to redirect me to this under construction page, which is exactly what we were looking for. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand how profitable your store is. It's going to include tons of different metrics, analytics, and charts. You can have a clear understanding of your store's performance, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It syncs seamlessly with all your favorite ad accounts and many cost of goods sold providers. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing directly. You could also search for it in the Shopify App Store and look for the logo of Profit Calc in the top left here. Again, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check that out for yourself. There's a link in the description below. So this concludes the video here on how to collect emails when your store is under construction. And to do so, we use an app called LaunchX, which is free for development stores. And again, I don't have any affiliation with this app, but it's a popular choice as it makes it easy to customize the page and collect emails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.